Hello students, hopefully all of you are doing good, you are healthy and safe. So students, this is an announcement video which is for those students who would be appearing in May 21 and majorly those who have appeared in the last examination November 20 but they could not clear. Students, very quickly I'll tell you 2 to 3 things which probably we are going to conduct for all of you. So just pay attention herein, students. Herein, many students are saying that, sir, what about the amendments and all? How would our amendment lectures would be conducted? Yes, students, the amendment lectures will be conducted, and the amendment lectures will be conducted. I've already have made this announcement. I'll be conducting amendment lecture in Hindi, one separately and English separately. This amendment lecture would be conducted on 13th and 14th of February. Amendment lectures for which the notes for the amendment lectures also I'll be giving you in the PDF form. That is point number 1. Point number 2. Students, this time through Unacademy we have introduced 9 MTPs. All of you may be aware that our MTP has in a way created a revolution in the assessment year 2021. Who else better but the AIR1 of November 20? He himself has vouched for the quality of our question sets. So therefore, students, continuing with the same trend, we are starting with the MTP, or you can say the test series. MTP, or you can say the test series in the Unacademy platform, students. Now what you need to do as far as the test series is concerned, I will be putting up the link for all of you students over here. For the test series part, I'll be putting the link. The link would be in the description box of the test series. Please go ahead and enroll that particular test series program. Test series are free. You will be having the same split. This time I'm doing 9 MTPs. Last attempt I did 7. This time I'm doing 9. You'll say why 9? Because the 2 extra is a consolidated test series. Please do register for that test series. The question set would be available there. You can write the answer sheet. I will be checking for it. First 25 answer sheets, I'm going to check it. And on every Monday students, I will be at night 9:30 to 10:30. I'm going to discuss the test series at the Unacademy platform. So students, you will enroll for the test series. The link of which I'm going to give it in the descriptive box. And then thereafter, students, the very next particular point would be the like for example, this Saturday the test series would be open. Say 10 o'clock in the morning it will be open, and you can write till what? Till Sunday night. And thereafter, students, on Monday night I will be discussing with all of you in 1 hour the test particular series. You'll say, sir, what is a test series? What it will be comprising of? So it will be comprising of very good blend of MCQs. All the tough MCQs is what I'm going to pick it up, number 1. Secondly, students, and more importantly, that good descriptive practical questions I would be making for all of you, so as to give you that level of the edge, the precision, and expose you in some of the areas which otherwise I do know where you are going to make a mistake. The level of our test paper would be average to high, for the reason being the kind of the question papers which we are having, we can see from the recent past, the paper level is really at a very high level. So I will be adopting the same pattern. So 35 marks, students, is every test paper would be for 35 marks. And accordingly, students, you will be having the topics which are defined. You can just go through the test series, you will come to know every topics are being defined. At least what I will suggest, students, is that if not all 9, ideally all 9, but if not all 9, the next is that you should be at least going through what? Going through the 6 to 7 papers, students, if possible, you should be trying to solve on your own. Plan your studies perfectly well and accordingly try to freeze those particular test papers. Next, students, also one of the very popular segment is our 30 hours quick revision, which I always do every year. This time also revision videos primarily is going to be up. Obviously, I have already started with the revision videos, link of which I'm going to give it to you in the next particular segment. I'll just give it to you next segment. So revision video, students, is also something which should be there. That revision video, students, would be based on the charts. That 30 hours. The charts is something, students, you will all buy. This time the charts are really wonderful. Charts will cover each and everything of your syllabus, students, and you can buy the charts primarily from Monday, which is what, 7th or 8th. I'm just sharing you the website bharatlaws.com. So there you can buy the charts, and that is what you should be getting to it. I'll be putting those 30 hours revision video the way I'm putting it for the Hindi and the English batch. So that is what it is. Those who have got one group pending, and for them they feel that their performance was not up to the mark and they are lacking in practice, meaning thereby they have not, somewhere or the other, they are not in a position to score good marks. There is some real concerns that they need to address. For all these students, we are coming up with the practice batch at the Unacademy platform. So this is a 75 hours live batch which you can attend live, or you can do an offline mode, up to you. Practice batch details, students, would be also be done primarily, and I will be going to give it to you again in my next particular video. There you will have the entire details of the practice batch. So I'll give specifically for the practice batch the entire thing. So students, herein, what is the situation that you'll have? First, the amendment. I've already told you. Amendment 13th and 14th of February primarily. Second is, as I've told you, test series, which starts from this Saturday. So which is, I suppose it is 6th of February. Link in the description box. Please enroll for it. It is free test series primarily at the Unacademy platform. Make the most use of it, because this will be having my 9 MTPs. 9 MTP, students. And as it goes without saying, this is the best thing. I'm again repeating this. Like 6th is Saturday. You can write the test till Sunday. You can upload the paper. First 25 papers, I will correct it. And on every Monday, I'm going to discuss what exactly needs to be done. What are the common errors that students are doing? What is the solution of the test paper? And this is a must do particular paper, students. This is a must particular do, because it is not only about your knowledge, it is also about your performance in the examination, which will matter for you to qualify with full qualify the upcoming May 21 attempt. So if you want an assurance to qualify it, this is must do it. You just cannot forego it. Revision particular thing another 30 hours video. Again, I'm putting it in Hindi separate and in English separate. Amendments again in Hindi separate. Amendment, I'll just will give it to you primarily. Amendments Hindi and English separate. You'll say, sir, where the amendment lecture will be there? I'll let you know here in amendment lecture, students, or primarily you can just do one thing, students. My Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh, be there. All the updates in the upcoming week, I'm going to put it all the updates in this Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh. And as I told you, students, many students who couldn't clear, and unfortunately they have lacked practice. Because students, frankly speaking, we have students who have scored 82 marks, but we have also got the students who have got 39 marks. We have students who have that AIR1 performance, the performance of that kind of a students are there. But at the same time, we also have the students who couldn't in fact see through any of the group. everyone, primary, this is universal truth. See, primary, every students, see, one thing is there. Students, 50% what I have seen is this, that they lack adequate practice. It is not only about a direct tax paper. For any particular subject, if you see, be it any subject wherein students could not qualify, one of the main reason is they actually have lacked the practice. They can understand the provisions, they can understand the concept, but they don't know how to apply it. And that is where this entire focus of our practice batch comes into play. And that is primarily what is the practice batch, for which we will be discussing the entire nitty-gritties of practice batch tomorrow night at 9:30 p.m. So I'll just share a separate video for the practice batch. Please do ensure to go through it. All the educators are going to put forth what you will find it in the practice batch. So the practice batch tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. in the Unacademy. Again, I will just put this particular link of the practice batch, link of the YouTube channel. Please ensure that you be there tomorrow night 9:30 p.m. That is Wednesday night 9:30 p.m. so that all of you can primarily listen to all the educators for their practice strategy, what they wanted to do in this particular batch itself. So far as DT is concerned, students, the practice batch will involve two materials. One is your chart, comprehensive chart. The chart is made in the book form, so which will be available to be purchased from Monday. From Monday, that is I think 7th or 8th, whatever it be. So you can, I have already shared the link. That is chart and what, students, the second one is the compiler. So we will practice through all the compiler, the questions which are being there. So in 75 hours, quickly we will revise the provision, and after quickly revising the provision, we shall be doing what, students? We shall be then practicing this particular entire compiler questions. So that exactly what would be our strategy so far as the practice batch is concerned. Last but not the least, students, herein I would be conducting many special classes for the students. All the students who have appeared in the November 20 or Jan 21 attempt, they can vouch for all my important special classes, be it marathon session, be it the LDR session, ABC analysis. For all the details, students, just do ensure in the Unacademy, download this Unacademy Learning app. All of you, please download this Unacademy Learning app. And in this, after downloading Unacademy Learning app, herein follow my profile. My profile in Unacademy Learning app is my name itself, Durgesh Singh. Don't use CA Durgesh Singh, it's Durgesh Singh. Okay, and for the videos, any videos that you would want to put it across, is you put this particular CADS. This is the CADS is the code that you can use it for unlocking any of my videos that you will find it in the Unacademy Learning app. Do follow this so that you will get all the notification of my lectures, my profile. Last, students, one more particular point. So I'm going to do 3 links. I'm just putting it in the description box. Number 1 is for the test series. Second is the YouTube link for the tomorrow's 9:30 p.m. live YouTube, wherein all the educators, the top educators, will be there on the YouTube channel to address their particular strategies. And the last one, students, the third one is the link primarily, which would be for this particular, the link for one particular session which I wanted to do. Any details, I'm going to give a link for one session which I did yesterday, 9:30 p.m. I did one session yesterday. I'm going to share that link with all of you. Do watch that particular session. This is actually would be a very detailed session which I have done in my yesterday's particular class for all those students who couldn't clear their examination. It was a strategy which was a general strategy for entire group and a specific strategy for direct tax in particular. For that also, the link I'll just share with you. Only thing, students, just ensure that you put this particular code CADS to unlock that particular video. So this is the code that you should just keep in mind. Fine, students. So I'll see you very soon and I'll be in touch, students. Don't worry. Together, we'll crack it. See you then, students. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.